Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I'm here with my CVS haul, if you can believe that. I hit it up hard again this week, and I'm still in shock how much all this came to after the rebates and the coupons. I've got some really fancy name brand stuff in here, so I'm on a little coupon high from all this. It all worked out totally perfect. I had no issues. For me, CVS usually is a major pain and things don't work, but today was just awesome. So I did 4 transactions, which was a little stressful because the store was kind of busy. Here's where the fun stuff starts. So I came into this today with a $4 extra buck from last time, a $3 beauty buck, and the $10 from the Kohl's thing. So it's $17 is what I came in with. I only went ahead and used 14 of it. I was saving the other $3 for this wonderful transaction. So I only used $14 here. So I grabbed 3 of the St. Ives body wash. These are $5.29. I know that someone, Wise Deals for Moms on Instagram, who always is nice to watch my videos and does lots of good Instagram posts. She went to CVS last night. We live in the same town. And she said they were all out of St. Ives. Well, come to find out, she was at the Maysville Pike store, and not the Maple Avenue store. So if you want these, if you go to the Maple Avenue store, they have like 20 of them. I'm not even joking. And they're plenty stocked there, but apparently the South store is not stocked on this. So I picked up 3 of these for $5.29. I had $1 off manufacturer coupons for these 2, making them $4.29. Here's where the magic started, stacking CRTs and all that fun stuff. So I had a $2 off of the $6 body wash CRT, as well as a $2 off of the $6 any body wash. It was just like the same. I printed out 2 of those. Here's the trick. I didn't know this until I was talking to Amy Stotts, which is pretty much responsible for all this stuff. She's like a CVS know-it-all, and the main reason I'm even able to do this. I used to do CVS all the time back in the day, but it just is a lot harder. She told me that a threshold CRT, like a 2F6, let's say you have 2 2F6s, as long as it totals over $12, 6 plus 6 equals 12, they'll both work. You can use them here. So that's what I did. So I got $4 off. I had 2 of manufacturer coupons. So that came to $9.87 total. And I got a $10 extra buck back for spending $15 on St. Ives, making all 3 of these 100% free. And it's hard to get body wash for free. So that was awesome. I also went ahead and grabbed 3 of the Hallmark cards. These are $2 at CVS. I had a 2 off 2 CRT. So I paid $4 out of pocket and I got a $3 extra buck. Just making it $1 for 3. You know, the Dollar Tree, you can even get them for 33 cents. So why not get them at CVS for 33 cents? So in this transaction, I paid, I didn't tell you guys how much I paid. Let me look. Okay, I paid 0 subtotal and a whopping $1.30 in tax. Tax is really what gets you at CVS. It really does. Tax kills you at CVS. But $1.30 for all this, I am not going to complain. And I got back a 10 and a 3. So $13 back. I only lost $1 on that transaction. This transaction, I lost quite a bit. I used a total of 16 because I had a 10, a 3, and I had a $3 beauty buck. So I used $16 of extra bucks on this transaction. I only got back 12. I took a hit, but the really cool thing about CVS, unlike any of the other drugstores, is, well, Rite Aid does, I guess, but I don't know. CVS will let you split up your deals. So there's the big cash card promo, spend 30, get back 10. I went ahead and grabbed the Febreze, which is on the cash card. I grabbed it in this transaction, okay? And then this stuff's all on the cash card too. So I was able to split it up into transactions and pay the least out of pocket. So let me tell you guys what I did here. So, all right. So I started with the Eucerin lotion. This is a great deal. And it's really awesome because this is the lotion that my grandpa has to have. So it's awesome to get this on deals. I can never get this with Ibotta and stuff like that. I'm totally not giving up on Ibotta. I know that's what most of you are here for, but I just thought I'd pick up CVS because it's great for the holidays. And my gosh, a lot of this stuff you just can't get with Ibotta. So here's the Eucerin. It's on a spend 20, get back 10 promo this week. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them at $10.79, kept it $21.58. Same kind of thing with the stacking CRTs. I had 2 different CRTs for lotion. So I had $2.25 off of any 10 lotion from this week and a 3 off 10 lotion from last week. So it gave me a whopping $5.25 off, which brought my total down to $16.33. Okay, and then I have manufacturer coupons. There's a $3.50 coupon if you share it on their site, which I did. I'll have the link to that in the description below. So that brings you down to $9.33. I will get back $10. I got back $10 in ECBs, making it a 67-cent moneymaker. But the cool thing is I hit Beauty Club after this. Like, this is enough to get me to Beauty Bucks. So I'm counting that as an extra 3 back. So this is a great moneymaker on the Eucerin. Don't have it today, but I definitely will soon. I did the Fiji as a filler. They're $1 each, and there's 50-cent coupons from my previous insert. Don't know the exact date. Use the database. I clip all my coupons. I keep them in a binder, so that's story there. Those are just 50 cents, but I needed $1 to spend out my ECBs, and I didn't just want to waste them, so I got the Fiji water. Okay, the Speed Stick's the easy one. This is $2.99. Had $1 off at any one deodorant CRT, and I had a 50-cent off coupon Speed Stick sent me in the mail, but it is printable on their site. So you pay $1.49 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. And the Febreze. This was all, like I said, this is tracking towards this cumulative cash card. So let me give you the BD here. The Febreze is $4.49 at my local CVS. Plus, so they're buy one get one half off. So $4.49 for 2 of them and $2.24 for 2. That goes to $13.46. I had a $3 off of any $10 cleaning purchase CRT, which said it included air freshener. So brought that to $10.46. I had buy one get one free coupons, which was so confusing because one of them was $4.49, one of them was $2.24. We both just agreed that she just decided to take off the max of $3. So that worked out in my favor. Plus, there was also a 50-cent app-only coupon. So I came to $3.96 for the 4 Febreze, which explains why I took such a hit here. However, I didn't pay $4 for 4 Febreze, even though that's a great deal. I was doing the cash card scenario, which included all this laundry care products. So I did the Fiji again just for my fillers, and I did this laundry care deal. So here's how this all, I didn't tell you how much I paid on this transaction. There's all my coupons. So much awesomeness took place on this transaction. After everything was said and done, this came out to $1.66 with tax. That's all tax. $1.66 for 4 Febreze, 2 Eucerin, all this. Ibotta can't, as much as I love Ibotta can't give me all this stuff for what I paid. Oh, I forgot to say on this transaction, I'm so new to the CVS videos, I swear I'm never going to get this down. I'm getting $1 back from Fetch Rewards on the St. Ives, an extra $1 rebates. That goes into this total today. All right, and then finally, I did the laundry deal, and Amy Stotts put this whole deal together and was like, go do this deal, this is awesome. And so I'm so excited about it. Awesome. So I grabbed I got 2 of the Gain Flings, 1 of the Tide Pods, and 1 of the Gain dryer sheets. That came to a whopping $19.76. I had a $3 off of a $12 laundry care CRT. I had a $2 off digital coupon for Gain Flings. I had a $2 paper coupon for Gain Flings. I had a $2 paper coupon for Tide Pods. And I had a $2 paper coupon for Gain dryer sheets. So that came to $8.76. Let's add on the Febreze at $3.96, which came to $12.72. And I got back a $10 cash card, which she didn't give me. It just printed on my receipt saying to turn it in and you'll get the gift cards. Next time I go to CVS, they'll have to take care of that for me. So after getting that cash card back, it was essentially like I got all the laundry care, the 4 laundry items and the 4 Febreze items for $2.72. I've never gotten a deal like that, hardly, on these kind of products. That's awesome. Then I used the Fiji as a filler. So here's all the fun stuff that went down at this last transaction. Oh, might help if I gave you guys the total. This one came to, it's not gonna, gotta hide my credit card info. This one came down to $1.22. $1.22. So all the math on this, let's do some quick math. So, not good at this. This came to $1.60 or I just read it, $1.22. Okay, so we got $1.22 plus $1.66 plus $1.30. That comes to $4.18 is what I paid out of pocket, which honestly I could live with $4.18, right? Fetch will give me $1 back for the St. Ives. So this is a cash loss. I only lost $3.18 to take all this stuff home. Net cost is different, but I've told you guys the net cost for everything here, so I decided to tell you what I paid out of pocket. And of course, I have $10 in a cash card for next time, and then I also have a $3 beauty buck. So I'll have $13 going into next week. Started with 14. You know, I didn't count the Kohl's card because that doesn't really count. That's, you know, that was just buying a gift card. We probably would have shopped at Kohl's anyways at some point. So why not pick it up when it's on a deal? So that's all I got for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed my CVS haul. Ibotta will be up tomorrow. I was going to just do them together, but everybody said start doing them separate. So I'm just doing the CVS stuff on its own, hopefully posted every Monday. So yep, that's all that I have, and thank you guys for watching.